Write down an experiment to verify the dependency of resistance on the nature of the material of the wire. So I'll begin with explaining the diagram, circuit diagram. So again, a rectangle. So space for your battery, key, ammeter to connect your wires. So we have battery place, key, I'll switch it on. Then we have ammeter and the place to connect your material, A and B. So we have two materials. One is copper wire and another is aluminum wire. Copper and aluminum. So same length and thickness, right? Apparatus, copper and aluminum wire of same length and thickness. Area of cross section, that is. Then a battery, then an ammeter, a key, and connecting wire. So the procedure is quite simple. Connect the wire as per the diagram. Connect the copper wire across A and B. Plug in the key. Note down the current in ammeter. Make sense? Change the color. Disconnect the wire. Okay. Connect the aluminum wire across node A and B and note down the reading. Quite simple procedure. What is that we conclude? What is that we observe? For constant voltage and temperature, current when copper is connected is more than the current. I think comma is not required. Is more than the current when aluminum is connected. So basically, this is what we are looking at. This current is more than the current when we have aluminum connected. So what can we conclude? When the material have the same thickness and area of cross section, but different things, like the wires are made up of different materials, they have different resistance. So resistance of a wire or a conductor depends upon the nature of the material of the conductor. Right? Quite simple question and quite simple answer. So pause and have a look. Okay, I hope it made sense. See, copper wire has lesser resistance than aluminum. Okay, so copper wire has, as per this, and current of the copper wire connected is more than. So copper wire has lesser resistance than aluminum wire. Right? So with this fact, we did this experiment. You can take anything. I already shown you this, right? Resistivity of wires, right? Of same thickness and area of cross section. We have already seen this. So yeah, it's quite simple experiment and quite a simple conclusion.